Guys, you find yourself asking, what exactly is a pondless waterfall? Why would I want one? I've heard people call them. I've heard people call pondless waterfalls waterless ponds. I've heard them called disappearing waterfalls, disappearing fountains, you name it. Guys, in this video, I'm just gonna tell you what exactly is a pondless waterfall and why should you have one in your space. By the way, I might mention all the water features that you see in this video were built by our team for your personal viewing pleasure. Let's just go ahead and get right to brass tacks, okay? Pondless waterfall, recirculating waterfall, or simply a backyard waterfall is a man-made recreation of a waterfall. Guys, the pondless part, the key factor, is that there's no pool at the bottom. When you turn the thing off, the water simply disappears into the ground at the end. It's a great lower maintenance water feature compared to koi pond, fish pond, etc. And it suits a different person and a different lifestyle. Guess what's cool? If you're not sure which water feature is exactly right for you, my friends, I have made a video called Ponds versus Waterfalls versus Fountains that covers all the pros and cons of each. I'll do the link thing up there and down in the description. You can check that out if you so see fit. So the short story is that the moving water is held below the ground in a structural modular system that we call a reservoir. You can't see it, but you can access it when you need to get in there for any reason whatsoever. What you can see is a beautiful natural stream that your artists create in your space. So I said I'd talk about why you might want one. Let's go there. You know how relaxing it is every time you go to the river? All life is drawn to water, and when we hear it, there's something great that happens to us on a molecular level. It has this therapeutic healing effect. There's been all these studies done, papers written, books, you name it. I don't have to go there. Just know it's good for our health, it's good for our mind, it's good for our soul. It allows us to relax, contemplate, and unwind from an otherwise overly stressful life. Guys, sheer amazingness isn't the only reason to have a waterfall. We design some waterfalls for specific purposes. Waterfalls can be small and gentle flowing areas, specifically to draw in the songbirds. We can do taller, heavier flow, more boisterous water features to block out road noise or cancel the sounds of suburbia. You guys, there's so many things you can do creatively with the pondless waterfall. I'm going to go into a lot more of that in the next video in this series, which is what affects the cost of a pondless waterfall. We'll talk about a lot more of the options that we have that will drive your price up or down. If you want to know more about exact pricing, you'll have to go into our website. We have project profile pages that we're putting in of all the jobs that we've done in the past, and it's got pricing on the projects of what they would cost, real numbers, replicated exactly in the conditions that we built them in the first time. By the way, I'm John Adams with Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team builds world-class ponds, fountains, and waterfalls out of natural stone and wood, and they will come to you. Guys, I appreciate you spending a little bit of time here with the Adams family, learning about ponds, fountains, and waterfalls. John G. out.